hidden life thrives inside a hieroglyphic forest. Cold river flow, I want you to know he's not crazy, he's well aware. A hermit's life is his light, it's his right, cryptologist. A secret code only a loner would know, symbolic alphabet. Celebrity of the hills stands perfectly still, waits for you to arrive, hands you a journal encrypted life, a secret code only a loner would know, symbolic alphabet. Sitting with the fish in the stream, wondering what the code really means. Garble the prying eyes, makes logic in his mind.
I got so I hated the most of the government. And a lot of it I never got over and don't want to. I see it that way. There's too much pressure and too much put on. I only came out about once a year, sometimes twice, and just to get groceries. And there was one time I stayed in 376 days without coming out. And I had my little garden. I got fish in summer, fencing in winter. And I've been to 3 different jails, but I never was convicted. I wasn't interested in what I called American big business and industrial slavery.
He had a philosophy that almost like the libertarians have, in which everybody should do their thing. So he railed against big government always. He didn't like big government or anybody with authority and so on. He had that paradox about him. He railed against big government but ended up on welfare, and it was big government that kept him alive the last 13 years of his life. So, I mean, it was a paradox there with him.